Hi everyone, so today we're going to be working on slides 6 through 9 in our PowerPoint. So if you did not do slides 1 through 5 yesterday, then you need to go back and do that for your state report and also see which state you've been assigned, okay? So when we go into Google, we're going to click on our waffle here, and I'm going to walk you through how to get there, and then we'll continue working. So we'll go to our waffle and we'll click on slides. And it should have saved as long as you followed the directions yesterday. So you'll click on your state PowerPoint. And it's going to show that we've done slides 1 through 5, and they are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 off to the left-hand side here. So you have to make sure you're on slide 5 before you add a new one, or else it will add it and it will be kind of wonky and they'll all be mixed up. So we're going to add a new slide. And you're going to click here and title and body. And this slide title is actually going to be the Utah State flower. Now, obviously, you're going to put your state in there. Okay, and I actually don't know what the Utah State flower is, so I have to go look it up because I also have to include the name of that flower and a picture. So I'm going to type Utah State flower. And it will take a second here. So I actually did know that. So the Utah State flower is the sago lily. So we're going to add the name first off. So sago lily. Make sure you spell it correctly. And then I'm going to add a picture. The pictures look like this. You can just look for a picture in Google Images. Kind of like this one because it's nice and bright. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the image and paste it into my presentation. I can scale it down, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can change the way that it's shaped with those little arrows, okay? So I've included Utah State flower, obviously you're doing your own state that you were assigned, the name of the flower, and a picture of the flower, okay? So that's going to be slide number 6. Now we're going to insert a new slide for slide number 7. And this is actually going to be the bird. Okay, so you're going to put your state bird. So I put Utah State bird. And I'm going to go back to Google and I'm going to, sorry, this is kind of dumb sometimes. I'm going to type in Utah State bird. You're looking for your own state. And it's kind of funny that it's the Utah State bird and we call it the California gull. But anyway, that's our state bird here in Utah. Yours is going to be different, obviously. So you're going to add the name of your bird and a picture of your bird. Okay, a picture of your bird. It's a typical seagull that you see just hanging around outside. Okay, you see them at the park. They're kind of a pest. That's our state bird. Okay, and again, I can resize that to however big I need it and want it and place it on my slide. Then I'm going to add a new slide. And this is going to be our state fish. So, or your state fish for whatever state you chose. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to type in Utah State fish. You're going to type it in for your state. And for Utah, it's the Bonneville cutthroat trout. So I'm going to put here, Utah State fish. You're doing it for your state. Bonneville, what was it again? Bonneville cutthroat trout. It's just a trout. Please make sure you spell things correctly. Then I'm going to add a picture, an image, okay? So looks like this. Copy the image and paste it into our presentation. I can scale it down or make it bigger. However I like to do it is up to me. Include that in there. And then we're going to do our last slide for today, which is going to be slide number 9. And this one is actually going to be the capital city. Okay, and you're going to do that for your state. You're going to go back to Google and you're going to type capital city of, and whatever your state is. So if you're California, you'll do capital city of California, capital city of Iowa, capital city of Florida. Okay, capital city of Utah obviously is Salt Lake City, so we're going to include the name, Salt Lake City. And then we're also going to include a picture. So I'm going to actually type the name, Salt Lake, City. And I'm going to find an image of Salt Lake City. Okay, so this is actually downtown. Okay, so if you've ever been downtown, the temple's down there. If you've ever been to like Temple Square during Christmas time, or walked around just downtown, hung out, there's lots of cool places to eat. This is our main one, or our main capital city. So we're going to copy that and put it into our PowerPoint here. Scale that down just a little because it was kind of big. And that is slides 6 through 9, starting with the flower, the bird, the fish, and then the capital city. Okay? Again, do not submit this to me because we'll be coming back to it and working on it in pieces a little bit each day. If you need to watch this video again, you definitely can. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.